Good morning, students. Today we are going to we are going to do an experiment. Here, last time we had seen about races. That it was poem, and we have discussed it very elaborately in detail. And after that, we got a homework. I think you did that homework. So today we are going to actually it is not lesson. It is an experiment. Two experiments are there in our textbook, and we have to do it. How to do it? I tell you. What are things required for that, and how to perform this project, or we can say experiment, how to do it, I tell you. While doing this experiment, you should very careful. While doing this experiment, you should very careful. Why? Because you can ask further information about the things which you are going to use to your parents, your brothers, your friends, your, we can say, your colleagues, you can say. With the help of them, you can do it. Don't do alone this experiment. Take the help of others, take the help of your parents, take the help of your friends, take the help of to whom you believe. With the help of them, you try to do it. Try to do it. Okay? It is a very simple and amazing science experiment in newspapers, supplements, or you can say in magazines or in the internet. Correct any 5 to 8 experiments which you like. Ask your parents, teachers whether the experiments are safe. Then carry out the experiments if necessary. Take the help of your parents, teachers. Record the experiments on separate sheets in your own notebooks of science. An example is given below. This experiment you can do yourself. You can do yourself. You can go to Google, you can go to the internet and find out any experiment. That is very easy for you to do it. But in our textbook, two experiments are there. That experiment you have to do. You have to do with the help of your parents. And what is the name of experiments here? A simple experiment of lifting ice. Means we have to lift the ice with the help of threads. How is it possible with the help of threads? With the help of threads we can lift the ice. Let's know and try to do it. If you wanted to lift ice without touching it, what do you do? Read on, find out. Which are the things needed for you people to do it? Try to see. What you need? You need ice cubes, one piece of, or you can say ice cubes, threads, and common salt. These are the important things you need to do this experiment. One is ice cubes. What you need? Lifting ice. What you need? Ice cubes. Thread and common salt. Ice cubes, thread, and common salt. These three things you need while doing this experiment. Then, with the help of these things, what do you do? See how to do this experiment. Place an ice cube in a dish. In a plate, you can small dish you can take it, and the ice cubes you can keep in it. Second is place a piece of thread on it. Means when you keep the ice cubes in the plate, the ice cube should keep in a dish. Second, place a piece of thread on it. Means after keeping the what you can say ice cubes, that threads which you should keep on that ice cube. Sprinkle some common salt on and near the thread on the ice cube. That salt you can sprinkle, sprinkle near that threads where you hold this one. Sprinkle some common salt on and near the thread on the ice cube. And next is wait for a few seconds. First of all, you take what you can say cube, dish also here very important. Dish. What is your dish here? Dish can be used for keeping the ice cubes in it, and that thread you can hold just close near of that ice cubes, and sprinkle some salt near the thread on the ice cubes, and wait for some time, or we can say few seconds, and finally hold the two ends of the thread ice cube dish. Then after waiting for some time, hold the two ends of the threads and pick them up carefully. Suppose this is the thread and you have to hold two ends of the thread and try to lift the what you can say ice cube. And this experiment, whether fake or genuine, or it can be done possibly, scientifically it is possible or not, scientifically it can be done or not, you have to do as the experiment in your home. What happens after doing all those things? What happens? See, try placing the thread in different ways to lift the ice. Means we have to lift the ice cubes and try to keep in other place, we can say. Try placing the thread in different ways to lift the ice. You can place just one end of the thread on the ice cube and lift the ice with the other end. Another thing you can do it. Suppose first time we have did what we have done. The two ends of the threads, with the help of two ends of thread, we can try to lift the ice cubes. Sometimes you can do it is another way. First time, one way, with the help of two ends of the thread, you can lift the ice. Another way is that suppose this is the thread. One end of the thread you can touch just close near to the ice cube, and with the help of the another end you can hold it, and with the help of another end you can try to lift the ice. Whether is it possible or not, by two ways you have to do in your home and try to. And how do you perform? How do you do this experiment? Simultaneously, you can note down, you can put down, you can make the report in your respective notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.